All right, so this is going to be how to make a graph using Google Sheets. This is my data set. It's part of the Heart Health Lab. So on the left, you have time 0, 5, 10, and 15. On the top, those are 3 exercises: juggling monkeys, chasing snails, and swimming backwards. Inside the graph, you find all the beats per minute I received while doing my exercises. I'm going to change the name of the spreadsheet to Heart Health Lab or something. But what I'm showing you here is that this data is what I collected when I did my 3 exercises. And now I want to make a graph to make this data have a bit of a look to it, give it a visual to it so I can actually understand it. So what I do is I highlight the data and then I click the plus sign on the top right underneath where it has Wi-Fi and 82%. And when I click that plus sign, I hit chart. Now you can see I get a chart right away, and what I want to do is change the axes, the horizontal axis, right, the left and right axis. It just says time. And what I have in this chart is actually time, but I want to put units in it. So I was like, time in mins. I was like, no, that's not right. Time's in minutes. So then I add that to it, and when I hit update title from there, it'll show times in minutes on the bottom. But look at the vertical axis. Now it has no information. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to change that to beats per minute. But wait, that doesn't make sense because that's not actually what I measured. What I measured was the pulse, and the units is in beats per minute. So I go ahead and I change my vertical axis to include that information. Now my least favorite part is actually trying to find a title for something. So I know I need a title that includes both the measured pulse and beats per minute, time, and the 3 exercises. So I'm fast forwarding this piece of video a little bit just to try to show you that it takes a little bit to actually get a good working title. Now, the way I set up my data, all I've got to do is hit the check mark and it's done. I have my data is now color coded, where each exercise has its own color. For example, juggling monkeys is blue, chasing snails is red, and swimming backwards is yellow. It also